Hey guys! What a sunny day! Let's go camping! I know a cool place.
Great idea.
This place is nice, but I'm hungry. What about farming potatoes?
Not this time, sorry. Let's go fishing instead.
Here is the lake.
Wow, there are so many fish. Let's catch some.
Look, I have a big one.
I'm full of energy. Let's visit a water park. I know a great one nearby.
Sounds good.
No way. What happened to the water slide? It's broken.
Maybe a creeper was here.
Don't worry, let's build a new one. I know how to do it.
Fantastic. Let's slide.
And I want to dive.
Guys, it's getting dark. Creepers can come back.
Let's go to the cave.
I'm not sure. It's not safe. Let's build a treehouse instead.
All right.
It was a fun day, guys.